How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Hi everyone, this is Karen. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now, in order to hide your chats, you can switch your personal account to professional account. After that, you will be able to hide your chats to the general section. For that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. From the settings and activity, you have to scroll down a bit, and here you have to head towards the account type in tools and then tap on it. From here, tap on switch to professional account. Then you have to create a professional account. Tap on next. From here, you have to select your preferred category. Then tap on switch to professional account. So here you have to follow all of the on-screen instructions given here properly. Then tap on next. Then you have to set up your professional account by completing all of the steps. And once you're done with that, now you have to open up your chat page again. So open up Instagram, navigate to your profile, and as you can see here, now you have a professional account created. Now you have to head over your chat section. So from the home page, tap on the chat icon at the top right, and once you're on your chat page, you have to select the chat that you would like to hide. So for example, I have this chat right here. All you have to do is tap and hold on it. Then you have various options right here. So from here, you have to select move to general. Now this chat is moved to general and your chat is now hidden. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.